Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Knowledge Articles template and explore its contents. To install Knowledge Articles, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide your users with handy, digestible resources to reduce the caseload. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the Knowledge Article model. This model has been pre-configured with properties to store information like title, subtitle, and status. Check out the workflows attached to this model by heading to the Workflows tab. One is used to send a reminder notification to the article owner to review the content 3 days before the expiration date. The other will set the status property to retired the day after expiration. Now head to the Pages section and check out the Knowledge Articles page. Select About. This opens the About Knowledge Articles page in a modal window, where you can read what you can do when writing articles. Select Write New to write a new article. This opens the Edit Knowledge Article page in a modal window. On this page, you can see the articles we have created. Select an item from the list to preview it. This opens the Knowledge Article Preview page in a modal window. Make any changes by selecting the Edit button, and remember to save any edits you make. The template also adds a View Knowledge Article page. You may choose to use this as the primary action for your list block on the Knowledge Articles page. The template also adds a search object, which you can find in the Search section accessible from Admin Home. Select the object to see its configuration and make any change. On the Search Results page, you will now see a Knowledge Articles filter. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.